Hello, I'm Dr. Vikas Singhal, a Senior Consultant, Department of GI and Bariatric Surgery at Medanta Medicity Hospital in Gurgaon. So I wanted to discuss how to maintain weight loss after bariatric or metabolic surgery. One of the problems that we see after bariatric surgery, about 5 to 10 years after the surgery, is weight regain. And that is a problem we see in about 10 to 20% of the patients. So typically what happens is that, for example, somebody may lose about 40-50 kg and may regain or put back about 10-20 kg. So this is something we see in about 1 or 2 out of every 10 patients who undergo this surgery. So I want to talk about how to address this problem. Most of the times, this is something that can be addressed with the right measures. So what we really have to understand is that after the surgery, the maximum weight loss is seen at about 1.5 to 2 years from the surgery. For example, if you lose about 40 kg, that typical weight reduction tends to plateau and stabilize at about 1.5 to 2 years after the surgery. You may put, after that, what we call the honeymoon period, you may put back about 5 to 7 kg because that sudden effect tends to slow down. But for the most patients, 80% patients, that weight loss should stabilize at that level. You should not gain any more than that 5 to 7 kg. It should stabilize right at that level. So, who are the patients where we see the weight regain problem? The most common patients where we see the weight regain problem is where the diet is not correct, where the diet portion is small but snacking is there. That frequently you may take in a lot of calories even with taking a small amount, a small portion size. If your diet is rich in carbohydrates such as sweets, snacks, meetha, namkeen, those things we find that are the most common cause of weight regain after the surgery. What I would really want is that all my patients come in those 80 to 90% patients who lose the maximum weight and maintain that weight loss really forever, never put back any of that weight. So, this is something that we work together for. When you come back for the follow-up visit, this is something we emphasize to you. So there is a formula that I would like to give you. The formula of 60. If you follow this formula of 60, I would find, I see that most patients will be able to have a lot of benefit from the surgery and not have the weight regain problem. So what really is this formula of 60? It's very simple. 60 gram of protein a day and 60 minutes of exercise a day. If you can try to follow that most days of the week, about 5 to 6 days out of the 7 days of the week, then I can almost guarantee you that you will not see that weight regain problem. You will continue to do well, maintain the weight loss years after the surgery. 60 gram of protein. It's easier said than done. Typically in our Indian diet, we find that proteins are really lacking. It is not easy to consume the 60 gram of protein. You should make an effort that when you start your lunch or your dinner, you should try to take protein first. The dal, dahi, vegetables, that is the portion that you should focus your meal on. You should fill the stomach, the small size of the stomach, with the protein first. Keep the carbohydrates, breads, roti, rice, those things for later on. Keep that portion size small. Even when you are taking the snacks, try to take some protein. Chane, almonds, murmure. There are several healthy snacks that can be consumed. Try and really cut down on processed foods that we bring into our home from outside. Anything in a packet that you bring from outside is not good for you. So please, if you try and follow the rule of 60 gram of protein a day and 60 minutes of exercise. Exercise in any form, a brisk walk, a great form of exercise. You can do it in half an hour. You can do 20 minutes thrice a day. However suits you based upon your individual capacity. But if you can do that 60 minutes of exercise most days of the week, whether it's brisk walk or running or working out on a treadmill in the gym, you can mix your exercise, some light exercise, some yoga, some aerobic, some running, some sports, whatever suits you. Try and invest in your health. Put in that 60 minutes a day for a long-term good health, and the surgery will always work for you. You will not face that weight regain problem. So I hope I've been able to emphasize and share a couple of tips with you on how you can always avoid the weight regain problem that we see in about 10 to 20% patients, and you will not come in those, and you'll always maintain a good healthy weight. Thank you.